Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a amazing income earning residential property for sale. It is located in an upscale residential community in Mapen known as Turner's Court. It comes with floor space of 4,000 square feet and sits on 0.2 acres of land. It is close to the town center and to the major highway. The ground floor has a large 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, living, dining, spacious kitchen, and laundry room. This area has 2 verandas. The upstairs has 2-bed and 2-bath apartments, each with a balcony. The property is also currently tenanted. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 300,000 or Jamaican $47.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.